Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to customize your crosshair in HardReset. Let's begin by opening the options menu. Press the gear icon or the back button. If you press the back button, go to the settings. From there, go to the accessibility settings. Here under crosshair, you can change your crosshair settings. You can always override the crosshair shape. If you turn it on, you can change it from the cross to the circle, to the T-cross, to the rounded diamond, or angled radial lines. I'll go with rounded diamond, for example. You can also change the weapon crosshair center dot, turn it on or off to basically have a center dot. You can increase its radius, increase its size from 1 to 4. I'll go with 4. If you went with T-cross or the cross, you can also increase or decrease the crosshair length from basically dots to longer lines. I'll set it to 15 for this example. You can change the line thickness, as you can see. Those are some chunky crosshair lines. You can change the crosshair outline thickness, so simply the spacing between them. You can change the opacity of the crosshair from 100 to 10%. I'll leave it at 80 or around that. You can change its color by adjusting the RGB values. Here you can simply lower or increase the RGB values using this slider to change the color. I'll go with the red one. Then, of course, you can always change the color of the outline with the RGB. Going back, the crosshair outline thickness rather represents the literal outline, not that. Moving on. That's basically all the settings you can change for your crosshair. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.